This is going to be one of those video challenges. Somebody challenged me to this quite a while back. It was during the fire, the big fire. I couldn't do it then, and then the rain started. A lot of other things came up, so I'm finally getting around to this challenge. I'm accepting this challenge, and if I succeed, which I see no reason why I shouldn't, I'll pass it on to two of you. But those two have to have YouTube channels, be active YouTube channels, and continue it. Now for this, I'm going to need one person to come with me, and I'll describe that more. But the challenge is to cover about 20 miles of land, taking under 9 pounds with you total, excluding the camera weight, the tripod, the camera lights, the mics, the extra batteries. That's all separate. But your pack must be completely under 9 pounds. Well, I've gone and slashed that in half. This is just over 4 pounds. What's in it? I'm not even gonna need the hip belt, so I just wrapped it around like that. But in the hip belt, in here, I have one coffee, a luxury item. Nothing in there. This is the Terranova laser pack. I got this from Colin Outdoors, Scotland, years ago, more than a decade ago. Thermarest short, a heat sheet, and some cord, real thin cord, just for guying it out. A bandana for filtering water and such. One bag of rice, some salt, and an electrolyte thing, because I have had heat stroke in the past. Doing the same run I'm going to do this time. GI blanket, poncho liner, Tyvek. Okay, I don't know what that's from. This is a compact survival fishing kit that I just put together. It's got a little Altoids thing here. It's got a piece of cardboard in an envelope with 2-pound line wrapped around it, 30 feet of line. It's just a band from a inner tube. Lures and jigs, hooks and weights. So there's everything I'm taking with me. The Terranova laser backpack, Tyvek. Reason I'm taking the Tyvek, just to have a little something between me and the ground. I can always put pine needles or leaves or something underneath it, bring it up, but just to keep me off the ground, have a little bit of insulation. Fishing kit out of Altoids. This is just an old phone thing. I don't even need to take this. I can just take that. But this holds it all together in case I need to leave my pack behind and climb somewhere. Rice, electrolyte, Speedialyte, some salt, a coffee kettle, Thermarest short, 3/4, 1 inch, and a heat sheet with some cord. Now, my thought on this is, if it's windy, I don't think there's going to be rain, because this is going to be for not next weekend, but the weekend after that, or the weekend after that. So very soon, I can put stones in this, tie and guide it out, make a little shelter, wind block, whatever I need. And the poncho liner. That's it. Look up all the weights on this stuff, do whatever you want. It's just under 4 pounds. I'll be gone Friday, Saturday, come home Sunday night. Friday night, Saturday night, and Saturday and Sunday. 2 days, 2 nights. Just some rice, coffee, Speedialyte, and that's it. So anybody else that wants to, anybody who wants to film this, anybody that know that has camera gear, or maybe I can loan you mine. I don't know, but you can bring in all you want. You can bring in a steak, you can bring in chicken, you can bring in lobster, whatever you want. You can have a tent, you can have a poncho liner, shelter, you can have a hammock, whatever you want. As luxurious as you want to try to rub it in my face that this is all I have to deal with. Rule 1, don't share your food with me, don't offer. Rule 2, not rule, but request 2. You make your own video also of what's going on, post it on your channel, put a link to mine, and I'll put a link to mine to yours. I'd like to do it with at least one person, if not 2. What I want to do is park my car down at Heaton Flats, or your car, either one at Heaton Flats, campground, trailhead, Bridge Nowhere trailhead. Take the others up to Baden-Powell parking lot, Vincent Gulch. I want to go down Vincent Gulch Friday night. I don't want to camp at the cabin, as I'd rather go down and camp at the gulch. So we'd be night hiking all the way down, which I've done it many times. Oh, and I'm gonna have a headlight so I can get in and out, so I can get in. So we'll be fine. We'll get down there, no problem at all. So you got to be able to hike 4 miles first night, and then from there we have another 15, 16, 17 to the other end. So be in decent shape, no drugs, no firearms, no drama. Make a video with the links, no music, please. I'd like the sounds of the outdoors just to be in the video. I'm not being picky, it comes out a lot better. And first night we'll probably hike down Camp Mine Gulch. Second night we'll probably camp. There's a camp I've been working on and off. It's a mile or so above Fish Fork. Fish Fork's cool, but everybody's seen that. I got this other camp that's really cool, and so we'll probably camp one there, and the next night I might stay in a cave. But there is a spot where you can stay close by, unless you're cool with camping in it's not a cave, it's a mine. Camping in a mine. It's an unknown China mine, a drift mine. It's not the safest, but it's been there for more than 100 years, and I don't think we're gonna have the big one. If we do, oh well. Put a marker there for me and post a video. That'd be a cool video. So I have to find my own food. I'm only going to eat that rice as a last resort, or to go with a catch that I get off the rod, off the fishing gear, or something I find. But I need some witnesses that I'm doing what I'm doing, and to show it in action, different angles, different people's perspective, and then from there on I'll pick 2 other people, and I'll check with them that they're willing to do the same thing. Now this is 4 pounds. You can go all the way up to 9. All the way up to 9 pounds pack. So you can go pretty luxurious. And the reason I picked the East Fork is a lot of people filter it. They don't feel safe drinking it, but I'm totally cool drinking it. I didn't have to carry a filter. I've watered the entire way. I will never be more than a few hundred yards from water, no matter where I go to explore or look for something. And it's got some really cool stuff. And a lot of the other areas I wanted to do it in are closed right now. So it sounds pretty fun. A little bit of a challenge, but I don't foresee any real difficulties.